We need to unlock the silos of medical imaging, get them out of the PACS, and get the images displayed in the electronic medical records. But how do we do that? I'll show you how right now. Let's talk about IID.
Hey, I'm Brad. I'm a healthcare integrator in a vast ecosystem of healthcare applications. We connect these applications using standards like HL7, FHIR, and DICOM, and bring it all together with IHE, thus making the world a better place for all, for doctors, for nurses, and ultimately for the patient. This is Healthcare Standards and Profiles.
So, Invoke Image Display, or IID, gives us a mechanism in which to launch a zero-footprint viewer inside of another application, such as an EMR. I can provide the context, such as my patient identifier, or a session number, or study instance UID, in order to launch that correctly inside of the wrapping application. So for example, if I've got Brad's medical record open, I can go in and see a CT or MRI in context. And we do this in a standardized way as opposed to a proprietary API call. Let's see how it works.
The actor transaction diagram is actually pretty straightforward. We have an image display invoker. This could be an EMR, for example. It calls the Invoke image display transaction and sends that to an image display, which is responsible for displaying a study. The launching URL is straightforward. We make a call to a viewer host URL with a patient level launch, denoted by request type equal to patient. We can pass patient identifier 12345 with identity domain myhosp, along with additional launch parameters, in this case, a request to show only the most recent result. Note, for security, that we are also using HTTPS for transport level encryption. There are other parameters that we can also specify, including date ranges, type of viewer, whether we want key images only, or to show diagnostic quality images. With a study level launch, we pass study instance UID 2.25.12345 in this example with a request for diagnostic quality. There are other parameters for this request type too, including specifying the accession number instead of the study instance UID. Learn all about the details about Invoke Image Display along with all the other IHE profiles at ihe.net.
So with that, now you can launch zero-footprint viewers in context using IID. Let's go do something great.